So, you are one voice, yes, equal kayong lahat, so to speak. But if you have a speech of your perspective, ang tutunggalin mo is like 300 or so perspectives of the mainstream, the status quo opinion, no? Kung titingnan lang natin kung paano tatambalin yun sa oras, no? Mauubos yung oras mo, kaka-defend nun, pero 300 plus, imagine mo kung 1 minute each sila, wala ka talagang magagawa sa ganun. That's why the real fight is outside the halls of Congress, outside the halls of power even, where you have organizations, sectors organizing themselves to clear campaigns, articulating their demands, which will, not only reach the ears, pero provide pressure, clear pressure sa mga taong sanay sa comforts of their life.